Is your RCA Roku TV showing a black or blank screen? There's nothing more frustrating than sitting down for a binge watching session and finding your TV unresponsive. Don't worry though, this common issue can typically be resolved without much hassle. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix RCA Roku TV black screen or blank screen, offering practical solutions to troubleshoot and get your TV back in action. Step 1. Check all connections. Before diving into software fixes, let's start with the basics. Your TV's connections. Ensure that all cables are tightly connected and that none are damaged. Double check the HDMI cable connecting your Roku device to the TV. Try unplugging and replugging the HDMI cable or switch to a different HDMI port. If you're using an external streaming device, make sure it's properly connected to power. Step 2. Restart the TV. Restarting your TV can often fix minor glitches. Unplug the TV's power cable and wait for about 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, to discharge any residual power. After a minute, plug the TV back in and turn it on to see if the black screen has been resolved. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. If restarting doesn't work, try a soft reset of the Roku device. Alternatively, use the remote. Press and hold the reset button found on the side or back of your Roku device for approximately 15 seconds until the Roku logo appears on the TV screen. Remember, a soft reset won't erase your settings or preferences, but can solve many display issues. Step 4. Adjust picture settings. If your RCA Roku TV still shows a black or blank screen, it might be due to incorrect picture settings. Using your remote, navigate to the settings menu and select Display Type. Adjust the display settings like contrast and brightness to see if this solves the issue. Sometimes, switching to a different display type like 720p or 1080p can help. Step 5. System update or factory reset. Outdated software can cause performance issues. Check if your TV's software is up to date by going to Settings, System, System Update, Check Now. If updates are available, install them. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. This will erase all customized settings and logged-in accounts, returning the TV to its original state, so use this as a last resort. Dealing with a black or blank screen on your RCA Roku TV is certainly frustrating, but as we've outlined, there are several ways to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. By following steps like checking connections, restarting the TV, performing a soft reset, adjusting picture settings, and keeping your system updated, you should be able to restore your TV's functionality. With these methods, knowing how to fix RCA Roku TV black screen or blank screen becomes a straightforward process, helping you get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Happy viewing!